Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Yes children, yesterday we saw about the what? Which lesson we saw? Say, all of you say, evolution, human on earth. Yes children, yesterday did you write the homework? Are you submitted? I hope you are submitted. Yes children, today I will check your homework note. Okay children, now take your classwork note. All of you take your classwork note, children. Write the classwork note. First one is already we wrote what? Meanings, missing letter, jumble letter. Now we are going to write the answer the following. First question, write a short note on evolution of man. Write neatly. Answer. The earliest human beings were known as hominid. Homo habilis were the first human beings. They walked like animals using their hands and legs. Hominids learned to walk erect. These human beings were called Homo erectus. Erect means what ma? நிமிர்ந்து நடக்கிறது. I will give the time for you. Write neatly. Now write second question. Write a short note on sources of history. Don't run. Write slowly. Okay? Your handwriting should be neat. Okay, children? I will give the time for you. Are you writing? Your handwriting should be very neat. This is a good opportunity for you, okay? You can write very neatly. Write neatly. Question 3. Write a short note on cave paintings. See, cave paintings is one of the important source to know about the past life of people. As well as we can know about the hunting, about their religious, yes, then effects of their life also. Yes, children? Fourth question. What are the different sources of history? There are two different. One is archaeological, one is literary sources. Okay, children? Fifth one is how do coins help us to determine histories? How help us to us? The coins have the names and images of rulers. It can give us a information to us how the region of the ruler had done in that period. This coins is made gold, silver or copper. It will be indicate to us that period economic condition to us. Okay, children? Can you understand that question? Write neatly, ma. Don't waste your time, okay? Write neatly. Our sixth question. What do the Bhimbetka rock caves depict? See, the cave painting is depict their lives, the times who they lived in the caves, how they cooking, eating, drinking, and we can see the scenes of the hunting in that period. We can understand from that. Yes, children? Check the book. Turn the page number 10. See, question round is there, yes? In the down, you see the filling the blanks. Yes? First answer is hominid. Second is Homo sapiens. Third is coins. Write neatly, okay children? Fourth is monuments. Fifth is Qutub Minar. Are you wrote? In that same page, true or false? First answer is false. Second one is false. Third is true. Fourth one is false. Fifth one is also false only. Okay. See, first one, early man lived in well constructed houses like us. No, yes, they are lived in the forest only. Yes, children. The earliest human beings were known as Homo sapiens. Who is the earliest human being? Hominid. Yes, children. Fourth is fossils are found in deep water. Fossils are found in deep water. No, it is preserved in the rocks. Yes. Cave paintings are not an important source of history. Is it, children? No. It's one of the important source for us. We can know more information from that. Yes, children? Children, don't waste your time, children. I hope this video is useful to you. Yes, children? Okay. We will meet with next lesson in next video. Stay home, stay safe.